everyone, welcome along to another video lesson. John here. Today we're going to have a look at Beverly Hills, the solo by Weezer. This is a good one if you've just kind of started out on your solo journey. This is a good one to learn, so let's get on with it. First phrase starts like this. Now this little phrase here, we're starting on the 6th fret of the B to the 4th fret of the B. Alright, and then we're going to do this 5 to 3 on the G. So far we've got this. Next phrase goes like this. This is a cool one. This is 3 on the G, then you're going to reach over with your little finger to 6 on the D, back to 3 again, and then the last thing you can do is go back to 6, but bend that note and kill it with your right hand. When I say kill it, I mean just stop it from ringing. So that whole phrase, which is the main part of the solo, goes like this. You know, that's a kind of like question and answer statement like we have in the blues. Then we have this. So that's a cool little idea. Same thing again, 6 to 4 on the B string, 5 on the G, but this time we're going to bend here this note, 4 on the high E, and you're going to do a little curl. That's kind of in between that note really. Then you finish here on 6 on the B. So let me play that for you. Bit of vibrato if you can add it at the end. Let's put those two phrases together. They go like this. Now to end it, we have exactly the same thing we have. But at the end, it does this. So this is bending 3 on the G, and notice I'm bending with 3 fingers here just to give you a bit more support in case you don't want to do this. You know, drop it. So, and you're going to bend that up, kill it with your right hand twice, and come back to the 1st fret of the G string. Alright, and then that is the solo. You just repeat that twice. So let's hear it again a bit faster. 3, 4. That's a solo. Now for the chords over the top, they're just really easy. It's just this is an F power chord, and the B flat power chord, so just move that F power chord down. Again. Again. That's 3 times. Then you go up to C, so same power chord on the 3rd fret. And then you're going to play an E power chord. There. Okay, so. So that's the chords for you. If you can get that little kind of scratch back down in between the chords, that sounds really great. Anyway, that's the solo. Very easy but really fun to play. Do remember to check out other videos on my channel. I'll put the link up there for some of them. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.